at 36 Kensey Valley Meadow. It's a 4-bedroom mid-terrace property with an integral garage. It's got a reasonable sized garden with an area that you can park on at the back if you go through the garage. It's quite unusual, and we're about probably a 20-minute, 15-minute walk from the town, so nice and local, and definitely worth a look. So do come inside and have a look, and then book a viewing on 01566 776 211.